Hello and hi to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, today we are here with another interesting question, and that is the cost of a bat increased by 10% and the cost of a ball increased by 18%. Before the price rise, the ratio of the cost of the bat to the cost of the ball was 9:2. If the cost of 12 bats and 54 balls before the price rise was rupees C, what is their cost in rupees now? So here guys, we are also having 4 options. So we have to find out the new price. So let's begin with our question, and that is, before the price rise we were having, you can look at the question as well above, that is, so before the price rise, it means the original price. So here we have, that is, before the price rise the cost was C. Here we have, that is, for 12 balls, 12 bat plus 54 balls. So here the cost was how much? The cost was C according to the question given. So here we were having the ratio of the cost, the ratio for one bat and ball. So it is its price. So here we have ratio before the price rise. It was 9:2. I hope till here you have understood the question. Now, so here we are having 12 bat and 54 ball. So what will be the price or the overall price? So here we take, that is, this ratio 9:2. This is only for one bat and this for only one ball. So we have to find out the overall cost of 12 bat and 54 ball. For this, that is 9 multiplied by 12. This is for bat plus, and we are having the cost for one ball, that is 2, and for 54 ball, that is 2 multiplied by 54. This is equal to C. I hope till here you have understood the complete method. So 9 multiplied by 12, we get here 108 plus 2 multiplied by 54. Here we also get 108. That is equal to C, and this becomes 216 is equal to C, and this is for old price. So this is the cost for old. Now according to the question, that the price of a bat is increased by 10%. So therefore we get the new price for bat and ball. So for this we take, that is, for ball, for bat, that is how much? That is 10% increase. So 10% increase of what? 10% increased in the cost. So we multiply it by 9. This is for bat, and this becomes, that is, 10 divided by 100 multiplied by 9. And here 0 0 cancel out, and this becomes 9 divided by 10 is equal to 0.9. I hope you have got. Therefore, the price, the new price for the bet will become, that is 9 plus the 10%. How much? That is 0.9 is equal to 9.9. So this is new price for one bet. This is the new price for one bet. And for ball, that is in the ratio, that is 2. So, and how much percentage is it increased? That is 18%. So here we get, that is 18%. So this is 18% of the price for one ball, that is 2. So how much it becomes? It becomes, so here we get, that is 2 ones are and 2 50s are. So 18 divided by 50. So here we get the answer, that is 0.36. And therefore, now the new price for one ball, that becomes 2 plus 0.36, and this is equal to 2.36. New price, new ball price for one ball. Now we have got the old price. Now the new prices for 12 bats and 54 balls, and that becomes how much? We just find it out. So therefore 12 multiply, so this is 12 bat and the new price is 9.9 plus, and for the ball, that is 2.36. For how much? For 54 ball, multiply by 2.36, and this becomes the cost, new price. So this is the cost for the new price, and this becomes, that is 12 multiplied by 9.9, that is 118.8 plus, and for this, if we multiply both these, we get the answer, that is 127.41 is equal to C, new. And this becomes, that is, if we plus both these, we get the answer, that is 246.24, something like this, is equal to cost for the new. So this is the price in rupees for the new after the increase of 10 and 18%. But if you have a look in the question, that 4 options are given, and here we are having 4 options, so we have to find out any one which is the correct among these 4. So here we have, that is, so this is our new price. So C for new, cost for the new, ratio, and cost for old. So this is the old. So here we are having, that is, cost for new and cost of the old price, having the ratio. So this becomes C new divided by the cost of the old. So this is old price. This becomes, for the new we have find out, that is 24.6.24 divided by, and the cost of the old price. So we have just found out the old price as well, and that is 216. So here this becomes 216, and after dividing this to 20, so sorry, this is not a point, this is 6, 246.24 divided by 216. So here we get the answer, that is 1.14 cost. So this is the answer above given. So here we are having is our answer. I hope you have understood the complete method. So if you liked and if you understood the method, so it is requested to you, please subscribe our channel Aptitude Math Learner. So thank you very much.